In this video, we will cover how to export a field boundary on the Ag Leader Edge display. From the home screen, press the Setup button, press Management, press the Field tab, select the correct field, press the double-ended wrench, press Boundary, select the correct boundary that you are wishing to export, press Export, press the green check mark. We have now covered how to export a field boundary on the Ag Leader Edge display. For more information on Ag Leader products, please refer to your local Ag Leader dealer, other tutorial videos on the Ag Leader YouTube channel, or the Ag Leader Knowledgebase at support.agleader.com. To find an Ag Leader dealer in your area, please visit our website at www.agleader.com and use the Find a Dealer feature located on the homepage.